Have you heard of prebiotic fiber? It's like food for your gut bacteria. Two of my favorites are inulin and FOS, fructooligosaccharides. And they don't just help with digestion, they actually help feed the good bacteria in your gut, like bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved mood. And the good news, you don't have to rely on supplements to get prebiotic fiber. Foods like garlics, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and chicory root are all rich in inulin and FOS. Even a serving of oats or apples can give your gut a boost. Studies show that prebiotic fibers can reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, and support overall gut health. Plus, they're great for keeping you regular. If you've been struggling with bloating, constipation, or unpredictable digestion, you're not alone. A lot of people think gut issues are just normal, but they don't have to be. Today we're going to talk about Psyllium Husk fiber, a simple, natural solution that can transform your digestion and support your overall health. It's not just for people dealing with constipation. In fact, even if you feel fine, Psyllium Husk could be exactly what your body needs. If you think fiber is boring, think again. Psyllium can help balance blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and even support a healthier gut microbiome. It's like a personal trainer for your digestion. Just be sure to drink plenty of water, since fiber needs a lot of fluids to work its magic. Ever dealt with heartburn, bloating, or that uncomfortable knot in your stomach? I got something that you'll want to hear about. Today we're talking about slippery elm powder. It's a natural remedy that's been used for centuries to soothe and protect your digestive tract. It's not just a quick fix. Slippery elm actually helps you to heal and support your gut lining. But here's what makes it really stand out. It forms a gel-like coating in your stomach and intestines, acting like a protective shield for your gut. If you think all fibers are rough on your gut, slippery elm is different. Instead of being abrasive, it's incredibly soothing. It's often used for issues like acid reflux, gastritis, and even leaky gut. You can mix it with warm water and make a thick, calming drink, or you can add it to smoothies for a gentle gut healing boost. Some people even use it for sore throats because of its natural soothing properties. Studies suggest slippery elm can reduce inflammation, support gut repair, improve overall digestion, and plus, it's safe for gentle enough for long-term use. If your digestion feels off and you're struggling with acid reflux, bloating, or even a sore throat, this natural remedy may be the exact thing you need. Today we're talking about marshmallow root powder, a plant that's been used for centuries to soothe and protect your body. It has powerful healing properties, especially for your gut and throat. But here's the thing, it doesn't just soothe discomfort. Marshmallow root creates a gel-like coating that acts as a protective barrier, calming inflammation and helping your body heal from inside out. If you think all gut remedies involve harsh laxatives or bitter herbs, think again. Marshmallow root is gentle, soothing, and works wonders for digestive issues like heartburn, leaky gut, and even IBS. You can mix the powder with water to make a thick, comforting drink, or add it to tea for calming effect. Studies show that it can reduce inflammation, repair gut lining, and promote overall digestive health. Plus, it's completely natural and easy to add to your routine.